Welcome to part 94 of Learn Languages. Today we're looking at one of English's strangest features, silent letters. These are letters that are written but not pronounced. Let's go through the most common ones. Silent K before N. No, knee, knife, night, not, knock. You never pronounce the K. Just say now, knee, neef. Silent W before R and in some other words. Right, wrong, rap, wrist, sword, to answer. Right, you say right. Wrong, you say wrong. Silent B after M or before T. Lamb, comb, bomb, thumb, det, doubt, subtle. Lamb is pronounced lamb. Det is pronounced det. Silent G before N. Gnome, gnat, new, sign, foreign, campaign. Sign, you say sign. Foreign, you say for-in. Silent H at the start of some words. Honest, honor, hour, air. Honest, you say honest. Hour, you say hour. Silent P at the start of Greek origin words. Psychology, pneumonia, psalm. Psychology starts with an S sound. Psy-co-l-o-g. Silent letters in English come from older forms of the language. The spelling was kept even after pronunciation changed. They're a window into English history. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.